The engine's location has already been determined. However, what truly determines this vehicle's performance is the battery. Before the battery arrives, we must first decide where it should be placed. You don't buy the battery first and then decide how to install it. Instead, we need to finalize the vehicle's overall layout design first and then determine the battery configuration based on that layout. Every dimension affects whether the battery can ultimately be installed. It also impacts the vehicle's weight distribution and subsequent maintenance. Based on the recently obtained measurements, we are beginning to plan the approximate dimensions and mounting location of the battery. The goal is to make the best possible use of the available space without compromising the vehicle's structure. The battery solution must not only meet range requirements, but also be compatible with the entire electric drive system. The motor, power electronics, and the battery must all operate on the same voltage platform. Therefore, while determining the layout, we all established the voltage scheme to be adopted by the entire system. At this point, the battery layout for the entire vehicle has been finalized. Next, it is just a matter of waiting for the core components to arrive so that actual installation can begin.